who's in the studio today. Are you? I think Louie's in the studio today. Nadine, where's Louie?
One sec.
Yeah, coming. I am so sorry. I will handle this later. I will pick up the boxes. Do not pick up the boxes. You're looking good though. Welcome everybody, and so sorry, Bradley. I just woke up. I was woken up. It's a nap. You know, it's been one of those things where you just don't see that. Welcome everybody, and thank you for joining me to the first ever SUBTA End of the Year recap. I am your host, Louis Ricard, and I am delighted that you're joining me today because boy, oh boy, do we have so much to talk about. Now is not the time for distraction, okay? This is not what you're supposed to focus on. It's about me and you, okay? Right here, right now. So Bradley, bring it in, okay? Let's do this the right way. The biggest takeaway of 2021 so far is that subscriptions, as experts would say, are awesome. But don't take it from me. Let's get our SUBTA Director of Marketing, Jennifer Klein, to talk about the latest subscription insights today.
Paul? Is this the meeting you said was urgent?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us, Jen. Now, in the latest news, one of our recent SUBTA members, the New York Times, recently acquired 455,000 subscribers in Q3 of 2021. In other successful news, both Battlebox and Carnival Club got acquired this year by Emerge for nearly $20 million. John Roman, the CEO of Battlebox, called this the perfect deal.
Congratulations to John and his team. Actually, Louis, Battlebox and Carnivore Club made news a couple times this year. Both companies went home with Cube Awards from this year's SubSummit. I think it was the 5th win for Battlebox, more than any subscription in our history.
Yeah, that's right, Jen. And John Roman is actually one award shy away from completing the Cube Award Infinity Gauntlet, which would give him the power to literally snap away half of the cost of a SubSummit 22 ticket, which is actually a promo we're running right now. So please click the link in the description, follow us on Twitter, vote, retweet, share all the posts. Don't forget Facebook, but most importantly, follow us on YouTube.
Instagram.
And Instagram. We appreciate it.
And I gotta say, we had some pretty great moments at this year's ceremony for the Cube Awards. The audience got to walk the red carpet, they did the wave, and then there was Jill Lodato's acceptance speech for Best Kids Subscription.
Can I say, oh my God? Because there's no kids here. Oh, there are kids here.
It's okay. No, they hear it a lot.
Also announced at this year's Cube Awards was the winner of the pitch competition presented by Pitney Bowes. Congratulations to you, Susan Black of Wilsitude, on winning the $20,000 grand prize package, thanks to Pitney Bowes and SUBTA.
It's a great story for a brand that launched just last year with a goal of helping the elderly scratch their travel itch with virtually guided tours.
There's been a lot of challenges encountered by subscriptionpreneurs everywhere. The iOS update, for example, iOS 14.5 to be exact, is now enabling consumers to allow or prevent companies from tracking their personal data. Now, Jen, as a marketing expert, what do you make of this?
Don't even get me started. Meanwhile, Disney also made headlines earlier this year. Scarlett Johansson sued the conglomerate after they made the decision to simultaneously release Black Widow, the Marvel blockbuster, on Disney Plus and in theaters. The move allegedly cost Johansson $50 million, according to the New York Times.
And I would also like to sue Disney for making me wait 2 months to watch Shang-Chi on Disney Plus. I mean, did you really expect me to go to the theater when I can easily watch it from my sister's third cousin's best friend's sister-in-law's account? Do you really expect that to happen, Disney? Anyway, Jen, thank you so much for joining us today. Really appreciate your marketing insights today.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, Paul? Yeah, are you still there? Oh, yeah.
Anyway, as you can see, it's been a busy year for you all, my subscription entrepreneurs. It was also a busy year for us here at SUBTA. We finally got to put on the world's largest DTC subscription conference, SubSummit, back in person. We had more than 860 people join us this year, either virtually or in person in Dallas, with more than 70 speakers like Tinzo of Zora, Jamie Levy of Shopify, Simran Dua of My Subscription Addiction. But that's all the names I'll mention because for timing constraints, my producers have insisted to put a short list of names together so that I don't bore you to death. We also learned a lot within our SUBTA headquarters thanks to our co-founders Christopher George, John Hodge, and our CEO Paul Chambers through the show Subscription Review. The fellows reviewed some of the best and biggest names in the industry to see what they were missing and what they were hitting in terms of opportunities. This year, we also helped a tremendous amount of subscriptionpreneurs get started and succeed in the startup phase of their businesses. Thanks to the show No Excuses with Chris G. We captured some fantastic moments within the subscription community. If you paid attention this year though, Chris was working on a sponsorship deal with one of the most popular social media platforms.
This is the best advice I can give you right now. Start a TikTok channel. TikTok. Imagine if you started a TikTok channel.
Last but not least, we spoke with dozens of experts within the subscription industry during our Subtest Studios interviews. The fellows covered it all, and it allowed for great content, but it also allowed me to get some incredible freeze frames that I will now use to blackmail them if I do not get time off. I have your phone number and I know where you live, all three of you. As you can see, guys, it's been an amazing year, but there's still so much more we can accomplish together in 2022. First, be on the lookout for Subscription Predictions, a brand new SUBTA exclusive show featuring our co-founder and CEO, Paul Chambers, with the best and brightest subscription minds in the industry. Next, we'll be celebrating you, our subscription community, with events focused on growth, diversity, and inclusion. If you have a passion, a great idea, and a will to succeed, we want to help you. And if you're like me and you've been using the last 10 minutes or so to procrastinate on some really important work, I hear you and I see you. You have my full support. And I want to congratulate especially...
You're 5 minutes late for this
I am
meeting.
so sorry, Jen. Right away. Congratulations, SubTech community. We will see you in Orlando at SubSummit. I just forgot. Okay, Jen, do not rush me. Hold on. I can't. Okay, there we go. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.